YouTube? This is part 3 of the Scrambler 500 rebuild. Today we will be aligning the front wheels, and hopefully y'all can see how bad off the alignment is. The wheel to the four-wheeler's left, that wheel over there is way off, and I have the steering straight right now. You can see the right wheel of the four-wheeler is straight, and the left wheel, like I said, is way off. So it's very easy actually to line the front tires. You just have to adjust the tire rod. So yeah, I'll also show y'all tools you need to adjust the alignment of the front tires. Yeah, I'm just gonna get my socket set out now. So this wrench is really big. It's a lot bigger than what I need, but this is the only adjustable wrench I have. Alright, so like I said, I'm going to undo this first. Actually, it doesn't really matter which one you do undo first. The threads are reversed on one side. Alright, so I got this undone, as you saw. Turn that out. I don't think I'm going to be able to undo this one with the crescent wrench, but I'll try. Alright, I don't want to mess up the nut on there, so what I'm going to do is just take the tie rod off completely, and then I'll have better access to it. So it takes a 9/16 inch socket in the front, or on the top or bottom, in the back side of the tie rod. So and you're going to need to hold the bottom of the bolt with a another wrench. So mine was pretty easy to break loose. If it's hard with just a regular ratchet, you're going to want to use like a breaker bar or something. And I'll break it pretty easy. But yeah. And then the bolt should just fall right out. And I have to turn the steering a little bit. Okay, get the car pin out. Sometimes they can be a little bit difficult, but yeah, especially with the original car pin. This actually is standard size. Actually, the standard size didn't fit, so I'm going to use a metric. I don't know, I might be wrong about it being standard, all the bolts and stuff, but some of the bolts have seemed to fit better with the standard size socket on it. This nut isn't on too tight, so you can just loosen it with your hand. Right. Okay. Got it out. Now, I'm going to break this nut free. We're going to have to put in the vise. Break it free, so I'm going to do that real quick. Alright, so we got it free. So we're going to put it back on. We're going to leave these nuts loose because we're going to have to adjust it so you don't tighten those quite yet. So yeah, you don't really have to tighten these bolts, but just make sure you have it in place to where you can adjust it easily. I guess you can snug the bolts on just to see what the steering's gonna look like. I'm just going to snug this up, like I said, get a little bit tight. Just tighten it to where there's really no play in it. That's about as tight as you need to do it. So. Hopefully might have the right tools to get your wrenches in here and stuff, or if you have a different four-wheeler it might be easier. So yeah, I don't really have the right wrench or anything to get in here without taking it off. So yeah, if you have the right wrench, you won't have to take the tie rod off at all in the first place, which would be the ideal thing. But yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do, so. Like I said, try to snug it off where there's no play. I'm gonna straighten it up. And you actually turn the tie rod itself. No bring wheel in or out. You might want to prop the wheel up or something or whatever, just to take some of the weight off it. But all I'm doing is I'm I centered up the other tire just to make it a little bit easier. So I'm going to put it up in the air. Like I said, just turn. Just turn the tie rod, and it will bring it in and push it out. You can see what I'm doing. Let's bring the wheel in. So, let's come back and look at it. Make sure it's centered up. It actually might have overdone a little bit. So we'll back that off. I may have it turn. That looks just a tiny bit over, so we'll do a quarter of a turn. That looks right on. Alright. Looks like it's centered up good. We're going to go ahead and tighten these nuts back on. I'm going to go ahead and tighten this outer nut up. It doesn't have to be super tight, but I'm not going to bother taking this one off, or the tie rod back off. Yeah, I'm just going to tighten it as much as I can. Like this, which I can still get pretty tight. It doesn't have to be super tight because I got the other one pretty tight, and that will be good. So. Alright, we got that one on good. So now we'll tighten these back on. There, we'll tighten the tie rods all the way back on since we took them off earlier. And this first one has a cotter pin, if you can remember. So make sure put a cotter pin back in there. You don't want to tighten these like too tight because they have to move, and don't tighten them too much. So I'm going to throw a cotter pin in this alignment. It's looking noticeably better. Y'all can see that. But yeah, that's all there is to aligning your front tires on four-wheeler. So yeah, it's very simple to do. You can do it yourself at home with basic tools. So yeah, and if it's your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe. This was the third video on this rebuild series, so make sure you go and check out the other two videos, part 1, part 2, if you did not see those. So I did just some other stuff on those. Like I said when this series started, this wasn't going to be like motor rebuild. It's just going to be like a small series where I was just kind of making it look better and just more maintenance. So by the end of this rebuild series, I put a new belt on, I put new grips on, I got a new gas cap, and I aligned front tires. So definitely happy with it now. I plan on getting some brand new front tires soon. And actually my friend said he might have some front tires he's not using that were a little bit used, but they still have a good bit of tread on, that he might sell me. So if they are the right size and he'll sell me them for cheap, then I might just buy them instead. We have a tire machine at my high school that I should be able to put the tires on with, so that won't cost me anything to do, because I know how to change a tire, actually, a tubeless tire, with the tire machine, so I can do that as long as the tires will fit, or the rim will fit on the machine. If not, I might just take it to my local tire shop. They only charge $10 per tire, so that'd only be $20. But yeah, so I plan on doing that soon. But like I said, subscribe, because try and grow my channel, try and get 100 subscribers by the end of the year. I'm doing a giveaway at 100 subscribers. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on that. And like always, have a nice day.